Which from these fruit and vegetables should your rabbit eat and which shouldn't? I would start from the nose, which includes mushrooms and limes are really big no. And then we have here kiwi, apricot and pomegranate, which contains a lot of sugar and also different sizes of seeds, which can be really dangerous to your bunny. So please feed your bunnies with fruit and vegetable. You are 100% sure it's safe for them. The other category is safe to your bunny, and I would say yes, and that's the word you want to hear, which are apple, carrot, pepper, cucumber, watermelon, and greenish things. For example, salad, lettuce. Now switch to our first recipe from yes, more precisely carrot. First of all, I put water in a pot and heat it. When it starts boiling, I added carrots and then took them out when they were really soft. And then smashed them into a textured mash. Divided them into 7 pieces and made small rectangles with flax seeds on the top. And then put them in air fryer on baking paper. On 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. After they are done, enjoy it with your bunny. Thank you for watching it till the end, and make sure you subscribe and like this video if you like it. See you soon in the next video. Bye!